Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to officially do my very first video in this channel, and the very first video will be question and answers. So stay tuned. If this is your first time coming across of my video, please subscribe, comment and leave a like. It will really help me to go a long way. Thank you. So the first question on my list is, what is your name? Well, my name is Gloria Chukwu Uzodimma. Yes. And another question here says, where do you base? I base in Lagos State, Nigeria. Another question is, what is your favorite food? I know as a woman or as a lady, a lot of you will be expecting something else, but my favorite food is yam. Yes, I love yam. Honestly speaking, I do. So another question on my list is, what is one thing you can't leave your house without? I would say my phone. Yes, I would say my phone. I cannot leave my house without my phone. It's not possible. Maybe it's not me that is leaving, but I cannot actually leave my house without my phone. Yes. So another question here is, what song are you currently obsessed with? Hmm. I would say this question is tricky, but it's not, because lately I've been liking a lot of music, so will I say a lot of songs. But the one that is, if you start playing now, like I cannot just hold myself but dance to it or maybe sing it, is Black Girl Magic by Kiss Daniel. Is part of his latest music album. I think the first music in the album. Yes. Another one is Mr. Kiss, Italian Jakarta. I really love that song. I know a lot of you would think it's a traditionalist song or something, but I don't care. I love it. Another question here is, what is your religion? I'm a Christian, and I'm a Roman Catholic by the denomination. Another question here says, what hobby do you enjoy in your free time? Um, I would say is this thing that I'm doing now, videoing. Is either I'm recording when I'm dancing or cooking, or practically videoing. Um, Another question here says, if you could instantly learn any skill, what would it be? I would say cybersecurity or hairstyling. These two things has been in my mind. Another question here is, what is the first thing you do when you wake up? I know if you ask a lot of people this question, they would say prayer. It's not that I don't pray, but first thing I do in the morning is not all the mornings though, but most of my time, if I woke up in the morning, it's my phone that I will press first. At least you check the time now, Abby. Then I will pray. That doesn't mean I don't pray, but that's not always the first thing I do in the morning. I'm not going to lie. Then another thing here says, what is one thing that always makes you smile? Hmm. Knowing that my parents and my siblings love me, uh, it's enough to make someone smile. Honestly. Another question is, one advice you would give your younger self. Hmm. One advice I would give my younger self is, I shouldn't have let fear overcloud me. I should have gone for what I wanted earlier than now. But I believe that no time is late in life. But that is what I would tell my younger self. Another question here is, long videos or short videos? Hmm. I would say both works hand in hand. If you want to get subscribers faster, shorts helps, but believe me, if one of your long form videos go viral, the same subscribers short will give you, you will still give it, and also additional for watch time hours. You see, so I think I prefer both. I will do both to help me achieve a maximum result of what I'm looking for. So another one is, which YouTuber motivates you? I have a lot of YouTubers that if I come across their channel, I will be like, oh my god, when will I be like this person? But the person that motivates me the most, that if I come across his channel, I'll be eager to watch all his videos to the end without me skipping it a bit, is Mr. Beats. Mr. Beast, yes. So another question here is, what kind of content do you enjoy filming? I would say lifetime content, but as time goes by, I'll still be doing some tutorials and some DIYs. Um, Basically my life, vlogging, all of it. I'll incorporate all of them in this channel, and don't be tired. That's why I say you should subscribe. If you are watching this video to this extent, please subscribe, like, and comment. If you could eat only one meal for a whole week, what would it be? I know a lot of you might have known it by now. I would say yam, because that food is, I would say, is underrated, or should I say is underrated, right? Because tell me reason why you can fry yam, you can boil it white and eat it with sauce, red oil and all. You can also cook porridge, you can do vegetable, you can roast it. So I would say yam, because it will leave me with options of doing it in different types so that I will not get tired. I'm the kind of person that gets bored with food, especially one type of meal. I'm that kind of person that gets bored of it. Another thing here is, and that is the last, but I might add other things offhand because these ones I've been answering, I wrote them down. So another question here says, what's your favorite outfit to wear on a casual day? hmm I'm that kind of simple girly, some like I'm a very simple person. I don't like anything that is inconveniencing me or anything. My round neck, my palazzo or my jean trouser, I'm fine, or short. But once it's round neck, I can basically spend all my money on round necks, palazzo and jeans. I don't care about corset and all of those, but you see these ones. But lately I've been liking boo all these boo but on my normal casual day, I like my palazzo and either my palazzo short or trouser or jeans trouser, then my round neck. I don't miss it. I like I love round necks. So that is all on my list because I listed them down so that I will not forget anything. But if you think there is any other thing that I'm supposed to answer that I did not mention in this video, please do well to leave it in the comment section so that I will make another video. Maybe that one will now be part 2 of it. But for now, thank you so much for staying to this time of this video. I really appreciate it, and your subscription, comments and likes will help push this video and also push my channel to other people to watch. Thank you very much. Stay tuned, and if this is your first time, please don't make it your last time. I will be so eager to see you again in my next video. Until then, bye.